Hi everyone, welcome to this 10-minute Pilates app challenge. We have our 30-day Pilates app challenge going on right now, and it is day 11. We're so excited to be here. My name is Joy, and I'm going to be the one guiding and coaching you through this Pilates exercise. We have core tightening, we have shredding. Today is going to be a super sculpt, which means we're going to do supersets. But it's going to be beginner friendly, so no need to worry. Hop on your mats and let's get started. All right, you guys, I'm so glad that you're here. We're going to begin lying flat on our mats, 45 seconds on the timer, and doing a Pilates crunch. Simply just place your palms behind your head to support, making sure you breathe in from your core. As you're crunching, I want you to imagine pulling your tailbone down towards your heels so that we can have the right mind-to-muscle connection. You guys can do it. We're going to do supersets, so each movement we're going to do twice. And let's give it. 3, 2, 1, rest. As you guys know, I like to have 10 to 15 second rest in between each movement just to keep this a nice beginner friendly workout. And here we go. I'm moving along with my breath. My breath and my movement are one. Focus on doing that throughout this entire video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Our next superset will be crisscross leg lifts, and if you don't know what that is, I'll show you here. We're going to raise our legs 90 degrees in the air, and we're just going to crisscross left leg over the right leg in a motion, bringing our legs into 90 degrees and then lowering them back down to the mat. Our palms are simply below our bums or our lower back, just for support in this motion. I want you guys to breathe from your bellies and focus on that inner abdominal pressure that you're feeling. Just don't hold your breath, and we have 45 seconds of the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Take these movements slow and controlled. There's no need to be in a rush or in a hurry. Focus on completion and not speed. Two, 1, rest. Alright, now we're going to get into a modified boat pose. So simply we're going to be in a seated position. We're going to pick our feet up from the mat with our knees bent and hold our legs in the air with our arms extended beside us. If you want to modify this, you can simply lower your feet to the mat and then back in the air in a rotation. But if not, simply hold this modified boat pose. And if you are advanced, you can go ahead and extend your legs completely for full boat pose. We have 45 seconds on the timer. Let's get it. And breathe in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. And stretch here. I don't want you guys pulling in your hands on your legs. Like, do not hold your legs up with your palms. That kind of defeats the purpose of the core exercise. So just try to keep your palms holding straight up in the air at your sides. This is best and effective. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Excellent. You guys made it this far. You're doing awesome. I'm so glad to see you this far. Alright, our next movement is going to be a simple roll up. We're going to be lying flat on our mats, roll up straight to touch our feet, and then roll and curve like a ball slowly back down to the mat. I like to roll my shoulders back as I'm coming up to keep my spine straight. And then when I go back on the mat, I make sure I slow down. It really affects my core. Just like this. 3, 2, 1, rest. And we begin again with the roll up, keeping your back straight, that chin forward, reach to touch your toes, and slowly roll back down. Excellent. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Alright, and for our final movement, you guys, I like to call them stars because your hands and your legs go in a star position, where we're going to be lying flat on our mats, and we're going to extend our legs out simultaneously as we extend our arms above head. And as our knees come in, simultaneously our fingers or hands will tap our heels. So we're just going in and out, making sure our breath is one with our movement. So as I go out, I'm inhaling. As I come in, I'm exhaling. You can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. And here we go again. Slow and controlled. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, you guys, you finished. That's the end of the workout. Excellent. Everyone, that is it for day 11. It's 11 days. We made it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Be aware of the upcoming videos. If you want to get the link to the rest of this playlist, then click the videos on this side of the screen or click the videos on this side of the screen. Until next time, like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the link in the description box because you will also get the playlist link in the description box. But until then, see you later, guys. Watch for tomorrow for the next video. Bye.